In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Whop affiliate links. Whether you're new to affiliate marketing or looking to expand your reach, this process is straightforward and can be a great way to earn some extra income. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by navigating to the Whop homepage. Open your preferred web browser and head over to whop.com. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by their home feed. This is where everything begins, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Look for an option labeled Affiliates and give it a click. This will take you to the section dedicated to all things related to affiliate marketing within Whop. It's a handy area where you can manage your affiliate activities and track your progress. Next up, you'll want to locate the Affiliate Marketplace. This option should be visible once you're in the Affiliates section. Click on it, and you'll open up a world of opportunities to connect with various companies. The marketplace is where you can browse through the different companies offering affiliate programs, making it crucial to explore thoroughly. Once you're in the marketplace, it's time to select a company you'd like to affiliate with. Take your time to browse through the options and select one that aligns with your interests or niche. Selecting a company that resonates with your audience can significantly enhance your promotional efforts. After you've found a company that piques your interest, look for the Become Affiliate button. Clicking this indicates your intention to partner with the company as an affiliate. This step is essential because it officially enrolls you in the company's affiliate program, allowing you to promote their products or services. With that done, the next step is to click on View Assets. This section provides you with all the necessary promotional materials and links you'll need to effectively market the company's offerings. These assets are crucial for crafting compelling content that attracts potential customers. Finally, the moment you've been waiting for, copying your affiliate link. Within the Assets section, you should find a unique affiliate link specific to you. This link is what you'll share with your audience, so make sure to copy it carefully. It's the key to tracking your referrals and earning commissions. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated the process of generating Whop affiliate links. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is selecting the right companies and promoting them authentically to your audience. Good luck and happy affiliate marketing.